Whirlpool's Maytag unit is recalling about 1.7 million dishwashers over fire concerns. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says the company's received 12 reports of electrical failures in the units.
An electrical failure in the heating element of these dishwashers can pose a serious fire hazard. We are working aggressively to find these units and correct this issue.
The recall involves the Maytag, Amana, Gen Air, Admiral, Magic Chef, Performa by Maytag, and Crosley brands with plastic tubs. The units were sold nationwide from February 2006 through April of this year, costing between $250 and $900. More information on the numerous serial numbers involved in the recall can be found online at repair.maytag.com or the website for the Consumer Product Safety Commission, cpsc.gov. Mark Hamrick, The Associated Press.